Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Digicel has hailed the repeal of the net neutrality regulation in the U.S. and called on Caribbean governments to take note. But what does it mean for consumers? Dashan Hendricks reports.
Net neutrality is a principle that internet service providers and the governments regulating most of the internet must treat all data as the same. So internet service providers are unable to intentionally block, slow down or charge money for specific websites and online content. On Thursday, the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC, decided to repeal that regulation. They are to vote next month on that issue. But already Caribbean telecoms provider Digicel is hailing the move, calling it a victory for telecoms companies, consumers, and economies. The company in a release said it supports the proposal to repeal net neutrality because it only favored big internet companies like Google and Facebook, which make no investment in internet infrastructure but benefit from it. So what does this mean for consumers? The arguments vary depending on who is making it, but one argument is that it may mean internet companies like Google may have to start paying internet service providers to ensure consumers can access its content. How that will affect consumers is not clear right now, but Digicel in a release said it is urging regulators across the Caribbean to take note of the developments in the U.S. and would welcome a debate about desired policy outcomes for the region. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $126.54. The Canadian dollar has been sold for $99.40. The pound sterling is going for $168.40, while the euro is selling for $151.67. Stocks ended mostly lower, pulling the JSE index down more than 91 points, while the junior market index lost 22. The winners of the day were Cable and Wireless, Epley, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, Knutsford Express, Pan Jam Investments, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Express Catering, Jetcon, Key Insurance, Lasco Financial, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.